Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out a drugstore mascara. I love trying out mascaras, especially drugstore ones, but I'm very picky with my mascaras. So today I am putting the COVERGIRL Exhibitionist mascara to the test. It says stretch and strengthen. I love that. I love all of the claims on this. It's got nourishing ingredients to strengthen the lashes. It has biotin, peptides, and vitamin E. It's cruelty-free, of course, from COVERGIRL. I got this in the shade Very Black, and it also is supposed to make lashes longer, thicker, and more defined, which is definitely something I look for in my mascaras. And it's supposed to give a lash extension effect. It's supposed to make the lashes look longer. It sounds like it's a tubing mascara, and it's not supposed to clump, smudge, or flake. And I picked this up at Walmart, where it costs a little less than $10. Some nice classic kind of feel to the packaging. Let's see what this wand looks like. Looks nice. The brush type bristles, I think is what they are a little bit longer, which is nice, but the brush itself doesn't seem too big or too small. It looks like it's at a slight angle and very full, so it looks promising. I'm excited to jump right in and start applying it to one of my eyes. That way we can compare the difference. I will say my lashes are so long right now. I've been doing so many different lash treatments. So keeping that in mind, like my lashes might look really long with this mascara, but they are just so long in general right now, which I am loving. This is something I've been wanting to achieve for years and years. But this mascara is going on really nice, truly no clumping, and the lashes are staying separated, and it is nicely coating every lash. I actually am not noticing much of a lengthening effect just yet. I'm hoping to be able to build it up and see a nice difference, because with this first layer, I feel like it's just kind of doing a nice job of coating all of the lashes, making them darker, but really not seeing any length or volume to them right away. But we'll let this layer sit for a little bit, and I'll try this out on the lower lashes. Yeah, I am really liking this wand. It's not messy, but easy to get all of the lashes coated, which is really what I'm just trying to do on these lower lashes. I did get a little bit of mascara on my under eye there, so we'll give that a little moment to dry, and then I'll try brushing it away and see if it really is not going to smudge. But let's see how this can build up on these top lashes. Okay, so it is building up. It's looking more volumized, darker, but that lengthening isn't really happening. So let's see, maybe I have to like tap at the ends. Tapping the ends of my lashes is helping. They are definitely looking a little bit longer, more volumized at the tips now. And it's looking nice. I'm liking how the lashes are staying separated, but it's not really wowing me yet. I feel like I really have to spend time building this up to get the effect that I want, to actually see the claims. And it's not bad because there really is no clumping. The lashes are staying separated and defined, nice and dark. It's buildable, but it does take time to build these up. But I mean, my lashes are looking really nice. let's see how this lower lash mascara smudge comes off. Ooh, well yeah, actually it's not even a smudge. It does just brush away, which is great. A little bit on my eyelid here. And yeah, it is really easy to remove if it gets on the eyelid or under eye, which is great because I feel like that always happens to me. I feel like I just need a little bit more to build it up. I feel like I could get more volume and length. So let's see. And I love that I can continue to build it up with the lashes staying separated and defined. So I feel like if you're willing to be patient with this mascara, it can be really nice. You can get good volume, length. I'm getting some curl. I really do have like a falsy kind of lash extension effect going on now. So let me give you a zoomed in view of my lashes with and without this. I love that this mascara is showing off the lashes that I have. But I feel like my lashes probably look so extremely long. But what I'm trying to say is they look this way, like this length pretty much, with all the mascaras I'm using. I love that it's not clumping. I love this dark black color. I just really feel like the darker black the mascara, the better. That's my personal preference. But yeah, the difference with one layer versus it built up, it really is quite the difference. And I just wish it didn't take so long to get built up to this amount. I am really happy with this as a lower lash mascara. And I also love that I don't have to worry about it smudging. So all in all, I think this is good. It is worth that $10 price point, which for drugstore makeup is on the pricier side. But I do love the finished look that I'm able to achieve with this mascara after a lot of building up. And you don't want to forget to tap at the ends and get that tubing effect onto the ends of the lashes as well. That's what really helps make them look even longer. But I am actually having some sticking together happening on this eye that I didn't have happen as much on my other eye, which is kind of a bummer. I wish they wouldn't stick together like this. It's not terrible sticking together, but the lashes are starting to get a little bit sticky and not as defined and separated. But so here is my finished mascara look, my finished lashes. I said I'm finished, but I can't resist trying to build them up more. I am happy with the finished result though. But I would love to hear in the comments down below if you've tried this mascara out. Let me know how it works for your lashes because everyone has different lashes, different lengths. So I'd love to hear if this lengthened your lashes. But as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.